Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how to make my homemade chicken and vegetable soup. So let's get started. For my homemade chicken vegetable soup, I have 2 leeks and I'm cleaning them. I split them in half. I'll slice them up and I'll put them in my pot. I'll be using these leeks to help with the broth to give it flavor. I'm cleaning them out to make sure there's no dirt in between. You can see in the water all the dirt on the bottom. So it's best to wash your leeks before you use them. So they're all washed. I cut them in half and then I slice them again. So I'll place all these inside my pot. I clean 2 celery stalks and then I slice them. So now I'll add the celery to the leeks in my pot. I sliced a half an onion. So now I'll add this onion with my leeks and celery. I have 1 large garlic clove that I'll dice up. Once it's diced, I'll add that to my pot as well. So now I chopped up that garlic clove. I'll add it into my pot. So I have the leeks, the celery, the half an onion, and the 1 garlic clove in my pot. I'll pour 2 32-ounce containers of the chicken broth. Here is the second container. Now I'll place this on my stove on medium heat and let this simmer. So I'll stir it around. So now I'll let this simmer. I want to make sure the onion, the garlic, all those flavors go into the chicken broth. For my chicken vegetables, I'll be adding in some carrots, some green beans, potatoes, and of course the chicken. I peeled and diced 4 potatoes. While my broth is on the stove simmering, I'm going to add the potatoes in. So the potatoes are in. I'll mix them around. It smells good. I'll add in a tablespoon of parsley flakes. I'll mix that in. Just this broth alone really smells good. So now that I mixed in my parsley flakes, I'll put my lid back on. For my vegetables, I added in 1 can, 14.5 ounce can of carrots, and the same with the green beans, 14.5 ounce. I thought I had fresh carrots, otherwise I would have added fresh carrots, but this will do. So now I'll add this into my broth because it's been simmering now for about an hour and a half. This really smells good. So now I'll add in the carrots and green beans. I'll mix this in. This really looks good. I also have some chicken tenders that I'm boiling on the stove. I'll dice them up and then I'll add them in here, and here's my chicken vegetable soup. I tried a little of the broth. Oh my God, it's good. So now I'll put my lid back on. I'm waiting on my chicken. While my broth was simmering, I used chicken tenders, and I used enough to make like 2 chicken breasts. So you can use chicken tenders or 2 chicken breasts. And then I diced it up. So now I'll place this chicken into my broth and vegetables. I'll stir it around. Look at how good this looks. So now I'll let the chicken simmer in with the broth. It'll get nice and tender. And this is my homemade chicken and vegetable soup. So now I'll give it a try. I'll put some in my bowl. I'll salt and pepper. Now doesn't this look good? So now I'll try a bite. It's really good. Everything's nice and tender. The chicken's tender. Really good. The broth is really, really good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my homemade chicken and vegetable soup. Give it a try. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.